So you've got a pet, cat or dog, and they shed like crazy. If vacuuming doesn't work because it's on your bedding or your clothes, I found a tool that helps remove most of the hairs pretty easily. It's like a lint roller, but for pets. I've added the link in the description box if you want to get it on Amazon. To use, just hold it in your hand, whichever one is fine, and roll it back and forth on the desired areas. I personally like rolling it down most of the time instead of up, down, but you can do both. If it doesn't pick up for any more, that means it's time to remove the hair, and to do this is simple. Just flip the top lever open and rotate the inside flap back and forth a few times, and you'll see the fur accumulate into a hairball, and then you can take it out. If it starts leaving dust residue as you roll, that means it's time to deep clean it with a wet paper towel. I like to wipe down the prickly parts from one end to the other, and the hairs fall right off. Then it's ready to use again. Let me know how your experience goes, and please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell so it'll motivate me to make more videos like these. Thanks so much for watching.